And Ms. Nelson would be entering a plea today, Your Honor. And that offer is still on the table from January.
Yes.
We will go on the record in the matters 26 TR 24, 25, and 26. State of Wisconsin versus Riley Nelson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Nelson appears in person with counsel Adam Benson. We're set today in this matter for a status conference. However, I've been informed that Ms. Nelson will be making a plea here today. Is that correct, Mr. Benson?
It is, Your Honor.
What is the agreement that's been reached?
She will enter a plea of no contest to the OWI first, 26 TR 26. We are going to amend the BAC to 0.099, $936.50 forfeiture, 6-month driver's license revocation. It hasn't been suspended yet, so it would not be retroactive. No ignition interlock device. Dismiss and read in the other 2 citations.
Okay, can you give me a little bit of facts behind this OWI, just so I have a basis as to why she would be pleading no contest?
She can plead guilty, Your Honor. There's
Oh.
no difference.
Okay. I was just wondering if there was something that I
No,
should-
no, not at all.
It's just a ticket, so I don't get information. All right, and that's the agreement you've reached, Ms. Nelson?
Yes.
Okay, so you've had plenty of time to go over this with your attorney,
Yes.
and he's went over your constitutional rights with you,
Yes.
and you understand that the state would have to prove by clear, convincing, and satisfactory evidence that you operated a motor vehicle while on a highway of this county and state, and that you were under the influence while operating that vehicle.
Yes.
And you understand the penalties that have been recited on the record here today.
Yes.
Formal motion to amend the BAC down to 0.099.
So made.
Granted. How do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
All right, thank you. The court will find you guilty of 26 TR 26, the OWI. The court will assess $936.50, no ignition interlock device, 6-month revocation of your driver's license. You don't get a credit. Your driver's license has not been suspended. So how are you able to get this paid? Are you able to pay it all off in one lump sum?
Yeah, I can pay it today.
Excellent. Thank you so much. All right. So if you want to go and make that payment, and then you are good to go.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Beestrom?
He's not here today, Your Honor. It's
Oh.
traffic though, so.
Okay. On the record in the matters 25 TR 946, 26 CM 31, State of Wisconsin versus Abrielle Succo. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Ms. Succo appears in person with counsel Nicholas White. We're set here today in these matters for status conferences. Mr. White, please update the court.
Thanks, Your Honor. This is a case that before I was appointed, there was an offer extended from the DA's office having to do with the diversion program. My understanding is that's still the current offer. Abrielle has basically had an issue just coming up with the funds to complete that program. For the last couple months, it's what I would just call cost prohibitive. She has asked if there is a way that the diversion fee of $200 could be waived. My understanding from the DA's office is that it cannot be waived. I don't know if Your Honor ever has a say in anything like that.
You do not.
Okay, then that was my understanding from what the prosecutor said. I just wanted to bring it up either way. We are working on negotiating this case. I'd asked for a plea or status out a couple, maybe out a month. I'm not sure how long the diversion program would take. I know that my client started it. I don't know if she'd have to start at the beginning though, and then there's the fee itself. So that's where we're at.
How about, well, that's only 1 month out. Get something a little later. August 3rd at 2.
That won't work for me. Looks like I'm in Barron County.
August 5th at 9:30.
I am in St. Croix at that time. I'd have the rest of the day after maybe 11.
August 5th at 3 or at 2:45.
It's Wednesday afternoon. To here. Doesn't schedule later for that.
I just don't know if it works for her because she has to drive me.
Okay.
Is there anything available for Thursdays at all?
I could do Thursday, July 23rd at 10:30 or at 10:30. Yes, 10:30.
I'm in St. Croix at 9:30. That's a status or
How
a
about
block schedule.
2:15?
I can make that work.
All right, July 23rd, 2:15. Potential police evidence play. All right, thank you. You can come get your notice and you're free to leave. So Ms. Sukout, you have Thursdays off? Yes. Okay, so I have a record in the matter 26 CM 36, State of Wisconsin versus Jaden Johnson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. And we have Mr. Johnson in person without counsel. We're set for a status. Are we in victims' rights compliance?
Per status, yes.
And we can proceed at this time. It is 4 minutes early.
Oh,
Do we know if victims?
I don't know. I'm sorry. We should wait 4 minutes.
First off, though, were you going to talk to the district attorney? Because I think you were trying to do this yourself before you see if you need an attorney.
Yes, I wanted to complete the anger management, but I was unable to the past month or so.
So you're just saying you need more time to do that?
Yes,
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is we will briefly adjourn so I can wait 3 minutes and I'll give you a new date.
okay,
Okay?
all right, thank you.
Right, it's 10 o'clock. Back on the record, same appearances as previously noted. We are in victims' rights compliance. No victims have appeared. August 5th at 9:30. That gives you plenty of time to contact Mr. Hatch. I do it right away. It gives you plenty of time to contact him, to pay the $150 and to get your sessions done.
Okay,
Okay?
Yep.
All
all
right.
right, thank you.
August 5th, 9:30, come get your notice and you are free to leave. On the record in the matter 25 CF 96, State of Wisconsin versus Cody Erickson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Erickson appears in person without counsel. We are here today on a motion for an entry of judgment. Mr. Erickson pled guilty to 2 counts of battery, domestic abuse, 1 count of child abuse, intentionally cause harm, and an OWI second. He was placed on a deferred judgment of conviction agreement in which the physical abuse of a child in count 3 in the criminal complaint was deferred upon certain conditions, et cetera, being met. There are allegations that he has failed to comply, and the actual allegation is that the defendant has failed to comply by failing to pay the administration fee. Mr. Erickson, that is $150. Do you understand what it means why you're here today?
Yeah,
And so they're asking the court to enter judgment and to sentence you on that H felony, that very high felony, because you haven't paid $150.
I was wondering if I get a little bit more time,
How long would you need?
probably not like a month, not even.
Mr. Schmidt, would the state be willing to stay this and adjourn it for another month to allow Mr. Erickson to be able to pay the $150 fee?
Yes.
I've been looking for a job.
Okay, so what you need to do, it's very important that you figure it out. Like if people need help cutting wood and they'll pay you, $50, or if somebody will pay you $25 to mow their lawn, it's super, very important that you figure out how to get this $150, okay?
Okay,
Because you do not want that judgment entered because you could be sentenced on that H felony. So that is a maximum of a $10,000 fine or 6 years of incarceration, prison. So it's
Okay.
very, very important you figure out how that you can get that $150, okay?
okay,
Once you get that money, then you must bring it over to his office right there, the district attorney's office, the opposite end of this hallway where the court is, okay? On the
Alright.
right side. So as soon as you can get that done, the better, all right?
all right,
I will give you some time to be able to do that. I'll give you until July 23rd at 10:30. July 23rd at 10:30. I'm gonna
Sure.
set this for another hearing. If you pay that $150, let's say you figure it out, you mow the lawns, you do the things, and you get $150 in 3 weeks. As soon as you get it, go and pay that to his office, and then you will not need to come back for that hearing,
okay,
okay? And grandma's here, so grandma understands everything that I said too, and she'll make sure that that all gets done, okay?
okay,
Okay, you can come up and get your notice, but again, you do not have to appear if you pay the
okay.
state, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. Matter 25 CM 212, 25 TR 660, State of Wisconsin versus Byron Benjamin. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. We have Daniel Chapman, Defense Counsel in person. We're set today in these matters for status conferences, or no, for a plea and sentencing, and he fails to appear. It is 11:31. The court is viewing all the other cameras. The only person seated or even viewed on the cameras is Mr. Lowry, I believe waiting for Mr. Chapman. He fails to appear. Driving conditions are good. Any information you want to give or stand mute, Mr. Chapman?
Well, Judge, he completed the IDIP equivalent in Minnesota, so he did everything he was expected to do for today. I know at the last hearing in April, I have notes that he walked in 10 minutes late and doesn't check his phone or his mail, so maybe he'll be here late today. Otherwise, I'm guessing this is just irresponsibility. But his phone is out of service today, and I don't have any other actual information as to where he is.
Mr. Schmidt, a little leniency, or are you asking for a warrant? And I know it's not your case.
I'll stand mute. I'll defer to the court.
That his phone is out of service?
Yeah, I called the number I had it. I believe I was given at the last court date, and it gave me an error message.
Does it end in 0994?
Yes,
So you'll need to do mail?
I will have to send him mail, yes, because I don't have a number for him, but
What about June 23rd at 11:30?
I would need to appear by Zoom, but I could make an appearance.
Well, we'll see if he appears then. That gives you enough time to get mail. And then if he's okay with you appearing by Zoom for a plea, we can proceed. If not, we can reset it to another date.
Yes, Judge.
All right, we will see you then.
Did you say 11:30?
Yes. We are adjourned.
If he does happen to walk in, I'm going to be going to see someone in
Oh.
the jail right now.
Wait, just sorry. I have a juvenile right ahead of that.
And that wraps up a surprisingly chaotic court calendar. We've seen an OWI plea, a diversion program held up by a $200 fee, and a defendant facing a potentially serious felony consequence over just $150 in unpaid costs. The big takeaway? In court, even the smallest missed requirement can snowball fast, and sometimes the judge is giving you one last chance to fix it. What do you think? Fair accountability or too much punishment for financial struggles?